orbiting. Okay. Then we have 12 zodiacs. The 12 zodiacs are Aries to Pisces, Mesham, Rishabham, Midunam, Kadagam, Simmam, Kanni, Tulam, Virichigam, Dhanur, Makaram, Kumbham, Meenam. So these are the 12 zodiacs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Now they have their own magnetic characteristics. What are these characteristics? If you look at Aries, for instance, it is a fire zodiac. So is Leo, so is Sagittarius. Whereas Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn or Earth zodiac, land zodiac, air zodiacs are Gemini, then Libra, Scorpion, Aquarius. Water zodiacs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. There are different qualities that they have. Chara, Sthira, Ubaya, movable, fixed, common. It'll repeat itself. And they have certain gender quality. Aries is masculine, Taurus is feminine, Gemini is dual, and it'll repeat itself. And they also have certain positive and negative polarity. Four planets or four zodiacs are barren: Aries, Gemini, Leo, Virgo. So if you're suffering for childbirth, for instance, chances are you are ruled by a barren sign. That is why you are not able to get a child for yourself. Then there are planets that will rule these zodiacs. What does it mean? Planets receive magnetic waves from the zodiac, that is 30-degree arc in the sky around the earth, and reflect them or deliver them to you and me at home. Okay? So, therefore, planets are called zodiac lords or sign lords or Rasi lord. Lord does not mean that they own it. It simply means that they are the delivery agents. That's all it is. And here is that combination. Aries owns, Mars owns Aries and Scorpio. Venus owns Taurus and Libra. Mercury owns Gemini and Virgo. Moon owns Cancer. Sun owns Leo. Jupiter owns Sagittarius and Pisces. Saturn owns Capricorn and Aquarius, and so on and so forth. Okay? Right. Similarly, in the Indian astrology system, there are exaltation and debilitation, which does not have a much of a role in the Indian KP astrology system. And the zodiacs rule certain portion of the body. Aries rules the head portion, whereas Pisces rules the feet and the toes portion. So you can actually imagine that it will go like this in clockwise direction all the way from head to toe, from Aries to Pisces, head to toe. And they represent certain colors. The magnetic waves are perceived by our Rashis and Siddhas to be of a particular color, and it has certain nature. The magnetic waves from Aries is believed to be bestial, violent, and a cruel magnetic wave, whereas Taurus will be steady, materialistic, and sensual, and Gemini magnetic characteristics will be human, mutable, and dual. In Cancer, it is water and sensitive. In Leo, it is royal and bestial. And your voice will be ruled by the zodiac. The second house, if it is connecting to Leo, for instance, you will have a commanding voice. Whereas if it is ruled by Gemini, You will speak very quick. If it is ruled by Aries, it will be a very harsh voice. If it is ruled by Sagittarius or Virgo, you will have a very clear voice. So these are the combination of magnetic characteristics, and they rule certain professions, certain disposition, age stage, certain guna, and certain dosha. So I hope this is clear to you that the 12 zodiacs have certain magnetic characteristics. So that is pillar number two. The nine graha is the pillar number one. The 12 zodiac is pillar number two.